Thank you so much for your help.
Oh hi, never mind. वैसे भी friendship में there is no sorry and no thank you. You must be thinking, why did ma'am start the video with a filmy dialogue? Basically, to tell you that how phrases are a part of our life and which is evident in the movies also. I am a complete movie buff. I love watching movies and the dialogues that we will be discussing today, I'm sure you have used these dialogues or let me say phrases in your daily life sometimes. I am very sure about it. So let's begin. But before that, आप सभी को सुष्मिता का प्यार भरा नमस्ते and welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. Let's get started. The first one is May the force be with you. It's a famous dialogue from the movie. I'm sure you know that, Star Wars. What does it mean? It means that may the success be with you. It's kind of a motivation or it's kind of an encouraging phrase which is used by people to let the person know that their wishes are always with them and may the entire nature or the universe help them to succeed. The second one is life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So this is a famous dialogue from Forrest Gump by Tom Hanks. And yes, do you know the meaning? It's a phrase that we use. It just means that life is so unpredictable. You never know what you are going to get, which means you should always be prepared about whatever life throws at you. The third one is why so serious? It's from the movie The Dark Knight, which means it's a humorous way to lighten up a situation and say something which is not serious at all, or maybe just to cheer up the person. Why so serious? The fourth one is I'm the king of the world. It's from the movie Titanic and was used by Jack Leonardo DiCaprio, which means he wanted to show it's an exclamation of joy and triumph and confidence. So you can use these phrases in your life also when you want to show that, okay, you're going to take on the world. So yes, I'm the king of the world. The fifth one is keep your friends close and your enemies closer. This is from the movie The Godfather, and yes, it is told by Al Pacino, correct? So it is a piece of advice which means you need to be vigilant about whatever is happening around you. So these were some famous phrases or dialogues from some Hollywood movies. Now let's get to some Bollywood masala and dialogues which are used as phrases. See, we all communicate in English, but sometimes these phrases of movies are used as a tadka to our conversation. And let me tell you, yes, in a friendly way, we can use it during our English conversation as well. So let's get started. The first one is Mocambo Khushua. So this is a humorous way to express what? Satisfaction. So when you finish your homework and go to your mama, she might say, Mocambo Khushua, which means you made her happy. The second one is बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं, which means minor problems or minor issues should not be given so much of weightage. Like when Ria presented her paper in the meeting, her pen fell down and she was embarrassed. The manager said, बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. The next one is मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. So basically it talks about, it was told by Kareena Kapoor. I'm sure all of you have used this once in your life and you should use it because it is about self-love and celebrating yourself. The next one is एक बार जो मैंने commitment कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता, which means you're showing determination. You have taken all the measures and you're trying your best and you will definitely fulfill that commitment. The next one is Pushpa, I hate tears. So these are the words which sometimes we use to lighten up an emotional situation. Like when Ria got married and was leaving for her in-laws and was weeping, her brother came and said, Pushpa, I hate tears. The next one is all is well, all is well, all is well. This is a famous dialogue or a phrase used in Three Idiots. All of us have watched that movie and it's a lovely movie to watch. So what does it mean? This is a phrase which is used to reduce your anxiety or maybe stress. So in case you're going for a meeting and it's an important meeting and you're like worried and don't know what you need to say, and you say, all is well, all is well. Or maybe when I am coming here to speak to all of you, I would once tell myself, all is well, which means I am ready to face on what comes and I have used it to calm down my nerves. The next one is keh diya, so keh diya, which is a phrase used for showing dominance, which means somebody, whoever has used it, wants you to follow it. So आज मैं आपसे ये कहती हूँ कि आपको अपने ऊपर काम करना चाहिए. You should work on yourself. Find out the areas that you really want to work upon and then work on it on yourself. So, keh diya, so keh diya. Thank you so much. This was all for today. And let me know any of the phrase that you use in your daily life, and it's going to be a great session. Please do write it to me in the comment box below. Thank you so much.